Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you see who viewed your videos on Instagram? So the short answer is no. You cannot see everybody who has viewed your reel or video on Instagram. So there are a couple tricks that you can do to kind of see who has seen your video. But other than that, there's no specific way to see everybody who has viewed your video, and it won't show all their usernames and everything. But first things first, to do the tricks, head over to the Instagram app and then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and find the video that you want to see who has viewed it, or kind of. So as you can see on this video here, if you click on the liked by, as you can see, I like this video, but right below the heart, comment, and share button, there's an option that says liked by. So if you click on that, it will show everybody who has liked your video and all the views that are on it. So you can't see everybody who has viewed your video, but you can't see who has liked it. So that's one way you can kind of see who has viewed your video. However, only the people who have actually liked it you will be able to see. So everybody who has viewed it, you cannot see, but people who like the video as well will be able to see it. Now on the Reels, if you just do the same thing, you'll be able to see everybody who has liked it but not viewed it. So like I said, you cannot see who has viewed your video, but you can see who has liked it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.